Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you have a Grand Cherokee Jeep and you need to replace your headlight bulb? Well, if so, you are at the right place. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to do that and get your vehicle back on the road again. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button over to the right, become a subscriber right away. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to pull up this panel here, and we have clips here that actually holds it. And you just grab a screwdriver, and I just want to just show you how to use the basic tools. And next we're going to use this tool here to actually pry underneath and just pull it right up. And just make sure you actually save your clips. Keep up with your clips, do not lose them. You're going to need them again to put it back. And we're going to go over to the next one and do the same. And it's going to be much easier for you. I'm actually holding the camera with one hand. You almost just pull it right up. And if you notice, there's going to be a gap on one side of the clip. You just pull up with your screwdriver. There you go. Just pull up with your finger if you choose to do so. Or you can use that tool that I actually used the first time. And we just continue to go on up. And we're just going to pull off this whole panel here. So now that we have all our locks, our plugs that actually holds the plug in place, and I like to use this tool here, just pry up. And again, just make sure you keep up with all of your clips. And occasionally you may need your screwdriver. There you go. Just pull it right up. Just pull it right up. And basically just going to move it out the way. We just basically going to lift it up. Then we need a screwdriver again, and we're going to remove the air filter housing. What we're going to do, there are clips right here. Just going to move on the clip. Just flip it back. And just going to lift up on it. First, we're just going to separate the hose from the top of the housing. And we're just going to lift right up on it. And let's just move it to the side. It's a good time to replace your air filter if it needs replacing. This one do not. Matter of fact, we're going to just take it loose from this hose here and just remove the whole top end of the air filter. Now that we had the air filter out of the way, and what we're going to do now, we're going to pull up on this air filter housing box. We're just going to pull straight up on it, but before we do that, there is a clip right here that you need to remove. You need to separate your rubber seal from this little box. Right there, just separate them. What I like to do is just take the small screwdriver, and I just like to stretch the rubber down here a little bit. You know, just stretch it and just work around it, because you're going to have to pull up over those studs. Just like to stretch it first before I do that. There we go. That makes it so much easier. Now we got it past the studs. We're just gonna pull it right on up. Just take your time with it. Keep in mind, everything is plastic. Now, I forgot to mention one thing. We want to make sure that we actually remove this clip that's holding on the power steering. All right, we got that out of the way. You see this object here? So we just want to unscrew that. And our headlight is going to be right behind it. Now, I want to say that bulb is in there. And if you have hands larger than mine, my hands are large enough. Okay, here it is. Yeah, it's going to be right there at the corner. And I have removed the old headlight. I have taken one of the new headlight bulbs out of the pack. And you're going to need a H11. I'm just going to put this back on. Then what we're going to do, we're just going to put it right back where we got it from. Put it in and just twist and turn. And I apologize, you can't see it. I can't even see it. I'm going to put the cap back on. All right, just make sure you have it lined up and just twist it right back into place. And I do want to say this is not a rush job. So if you are in a hurry, don't do this job. First of all, before I put everything back, let me make sure it actually works. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Now we have both headlights working. And we'll put our housing back on. If you have any trash in here, just make sure you dump it out. Great opportunity to do so. We have all our rubber seals still in place. All right, let's pop this baby back on. Well, that's all you have to do to change your headlight bulb on your Grand Cherokee Jeep. And the driver's side, I want to show you that because the driver's side is going to be the most difficult side to replace. And I guarantee you, if a bulb blows, it's going to be the driver's side. The passenger side is no problem. You can pretty much get your hand to it and actually replace that bulb. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to hit that notification bell to let you know when I have a video to actually come out. Take care and God bless.